Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to update this script file. This is file cloning script. I have got the open source. I will provide you this open source in my GitHub also, in description also. Today I am here to tell you that how to update your own script. Okay, there is two method to update. There is temporary method and one permanent method. You can I'll make a video soon at a permanent method. Let me talk about temporary method. Okay, this temporary method, this method will get you more OKs ID if you update time frame, like when you update 1 week, after 1 week you will get less OKs ID, but you will update regularly, you will get more OKs ID, chance of getting more OK ID. Let me talk about. First of all, there is two type BIP method also you can use. You can use this type of method also. Okay, this method also, this method is very best nowadays. Many people are using this method. Okay, if you want to update, you can use this old method also. This method, take old method, take this old method. This does not include any kind of thing. Okay, take this old method also. Or if this script is dead also, you can take this method. There is no problem about this method. Okay, this method, first we need to change a few kind of things, after that it will be work. Okay, I'll make another video also. First of all, for working, there is you can see define UA. Okay, let me do this. There is define UA in there. Okay, this is used in this method. This method, let me see down there. Okay, if you will find this header if there I have this script has written header X. You can find easily headers. In the downside of the header you can see user agent. It is defined by user agent. Okay, you need to copy this search bar, paste your search. After searching it, you will find this user agent equals to start UA API. Okay, he has defined user agent API. Here you can see the API. Here you can see the API. Look, this API he have defined it. We'll change this API. Okay, first of all we need to check it. Okay, let us define with a kind of variables. Let me define with Amul. Okay, close bracket or open bracket, this notation. Then after you need to define iOS version. You can define anything. I am defining iOS version. Because I am using iOS version. Let me choose random choice. Random.choice. Let me choose random choice. Okay, I will provide you this in description. I am taking from my own script. From here I am taking from my own script. Okay, I will provide you a simple method. Here is my iOS version. Okay, I am taking from this script. It will be very easy to tell you that I have this. I will provide you in this description. Okay, this is iOS version. Okay, this 10.02 their iOS version. After that we need to define a new variable, that is END. Okay, this we are using Facebook user agent. No need to when you update script, you will not need to change this. Okay, I'll also copy from this. This both are same. You can use any public cloning, file cloning, random cloning. You can use this both things. Okay, let me paste here. I will provide you in this description also. You can use this anyone. No need to update this. These two are let me use these two. You can see right here. Okay, these two are permanent. No need to change. You can use them anytime, anywhere. Okay, there is main twist at here. You need to first of all go like that. You need to first of all enter UA. We are defining a new user agent. Okay, UA is equals to random.choice. Okay, random choice. First of all do like this bracket, and then after large bracket. This is method is 100 percent working method. If you will not get OK's ID, tell me in comment box. I'll make a separate video on this. This is best of the out of the best method. You can get a lot of OK's IDs from here. Many people get a lot of IDs. I'm teaching this is a permanent method. First of all, you need to get Dalvik user agent. Also you can get you can use Dalvik user agent also. I'm using this user agent. When you use Dalvik user agent, it will need to update time to time. When you use both Dalvik and Mozilla user agent, you can update it after 1-2 weeks also. No problem. This is my net. Okay. Why this not getting? Let me search this. Oh, okay. This is Dalvik user agent. You can get this user agent free without any cost. Okay, let me search it. I will copy this. Okay, I will get I have get a lot of user agent. Okay, let me copy this. Copy link text. Use 64-bit. It will generate more IDs. Okay, first of all we need to make like this. Okay, then after paste this, do like that and do comma. Okay, repeat this process. I'm doing the like this. It will be easy to understand you. After that, repeat like that only. Copy this. Copy link text. Then after double quoted, paste script, double quoted, comma. Do like that up to 100 IDs, up to anything you can do, up to infinity also you can do, up to 1000, 10,000. In my opinion, use up to 50 to 100. It will get best of the best OK's IDs. Okay, I have copied this. Copy link text and paste here. Then after do like that, comma. Many people confuse here. Okay, many people confuse here. Use double quoted comma and double quoted comma and single comma. Here your user agent, here your user agent. Okay, after like that, here your user agent. After like finishing that, use comma. Then after there, then after this, repeat this process again and again. You will get OK's ID. It is my personal experience. Okay, in my own script I will also use this. Let me show you here. In my own script I will also use this. But I cannot show you my own script. This is here. I cannot show you my own script. So I am teaching here. After that, you need to learn also something from you. Okay, let me do this bracket and then after do this bracket. Okay, your first work is finished. No need to worry about up to here. Then after end. Okay, we have defined a variable here. We have already defined a variable here in the script. This is the front script. Okay, this is in the script. Your whole script is in with this. Then after go to here. We have already defined. Let's return user agent. Okay, let return user agent. Here this script owner has already defined this BAPI user agent. Okay, how to change it? We have already defined our own user agent. This is random.choice Samsung. He have taken this is work for temporary method only. Don't use this kind of method. This is all bullshit. Okay, let us copy this. Let us copy, and where we have defined our agent, we have defined Amul search. Let us paste here. How we have defined here. Search only like that. Okay, search replace all. It will automatically replace the value of from here. Save like that. Here all change. For this, okay, we'll make you like that. You can do any kind of name. Okay, paste. I will replace with Amul. I have already my logo. Let me copy it. Let me copy my logo. Copy. Let me paste here. Okay. Already this. Okay, let us show how it's done. Let us check this speed. I will tell you how to update also this. Okay. SD card. Okay, it will run in background. Okay, I will provide you. I use this. This is a secret method. No one is use this. Okay, past 1 year I am using this type of thing. Okay, I'll teach you. First of all, do like this. Okay, 3 dot 3 comma 3 comma. Okay, we have done this. Go to here. Okay, select all, do copy, and then after get new file. Here this is the best. No one will teach you this. No, 100% guarantee no one will teach you this. Okay, this thing no one will teach you. This thing I will do 100% guarantee no one will teach you this. Do like that. When you will paste like this, getting of more OKs ID, you have a lot of chance. Okay, this will increase your speed. Working script, it will increase this speed. Let me save it. Okay, we are going to in our GitHub. Okay, this 2 number file cracking. Let me put some file first. 1 2 3. Okay, it is running. Look how it's speed. We are only use 2 user agent. Look how it is speed.